If you need to reset your Udemy password for security or simply want a fresh start, the process is quick and beginner friendly. Let's walk through it together. Start by opening your preferred browser and searching for Udemy. Click the official website link, and once the homepage loads, sign in if you aren't already. After logging in, look toward the top right corner of the page and click on your profile picture. A menu will appear with several account options. From this menu, choose Account Settings. This will take you to a page where all your personal details and security preferences are stored. Once you're inside, locate the section labeled Account Security. Here you'll see your password field along with a small pencil icon that indicates you can edit it. Click that icon. Udemy will now allow you to type in a new password. Make sure to choose something strong by mixing uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. This helps keep your account safe from unauthorized access. Enter your new password carefully, double checking for typos so you don't run into login issues later. When everything looks correct, confirm your choice by selecting the Change Password button, and you're done. Your Udemy password has now been successfully updated. It's always a smart idea to refresh your passwords from time to time and store them securely using a trusted password manager. Thanks for watching and stay safe while learning online.